Hello everybody, Ben Sawyer here. I wanted to introduce to you a new segment I will be featuring on my YouTube channel, Critiques. I have asked for art from people all across my social sphere, some Facebook groups, my personal Discord, and some email and other things, and I've gotten a lot of responses, and I would like more. So if you have something that you would like me to look at and give some advice on, or critique or otherwise, hit me up anywhere you can find me, even if it's just a private message on YouTube, and I will scribble on it and give you my best advice. I'm an adjunct professor at Webster University, and I teach comic creation and character design. I've been doing that for about 5 years, and I've got nominated for an award 2 of those years. I've been published by both Zenescope Entertainment and Red 5 Comics, and I've been making comics for about 10 years. If you've ever worked with me, or you were one of my students, you'll know that I really love helping people. So please send me your work. I would love to help you any way I can. Thanks so much.